What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most valuable ClickBank affiliate marketing videos on YouTube so far. In this video, I'm going to include a ton of paid information that I have learned from affiliate marketing courses that I have taken over the past few years, and I'm going to compile it into this one free value-packed video right here on YouTube for anybody to watch for free. So you don't need to spend a cent. You're not paying for any information in this course. I'm all dropping this here for free for you guys. So this is going to be quite a lengthy video, about 20 to 25 minutes long. It's not going to be one of those quick money-making ways such as surveys or copying and pasting affiliate links anywhere. This is going to be a full-on business model that I've been doing for the past few years. This is one of my full-time incomes online. Throughout this video, I'm also going to give you a ton of gifts for you guys. I'm going to give you done for you systems, done for your affiliate products, and done for you landing pages that you can use. I'm also going to show you the tool that you can use to edit them and change them to obviously suit various different products. But I'm going to spoon feed you throughout this video and hold your hand throughout the process, so you don't need to worry about having any skills or any fancy knowledge like that. This is truly for the beginner with zero knowledge in affiliate marketing. So this is just a quick illustration for those of you who are new to affiliate marketing, to show you what affiliate marketing is so you can understand what this is about. So an affiliate, which is you, will promote a product or a service where you get your own unique affiliate link when you sign up as an affiliate. Every time somebody clicks on that link and purchases that product or services, your conversions and those clicks are going to be tracked, so you can see how many clicks your product gets, and then the company is going to pay you a commission for that as a reward for selling their product. So you don't need to have your own product, you don't need to have any merchandise or any products in your store or on hand or anything like that. This is all digital, and you can run this off your phone or your mobile device or your laptop from anywhere in the world. And I'm also going to show you my secret top product that I've never shared on my channel that I'm going to share with you in this video, that you can literally go and copy and paste and start promoting to definitely make money online. So just to show you, for example, if I come over to the ClickBank marketplace, you can see over here there's a whole bunch of products, and these are the average commissions that you are going to get per sale. So if you click on promote, you will see you can get your own unique affiliate link to this product. When people click on this link, you are going to get $103.80 on average per sale that you make through that link. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. It is all free to do. It is free to sign up on ClickBank, and there are multiple alternatives such as Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and Digistore24, as ClickBank is not accepted everywhere in the world, but most places it is. And what's great about ClickBank, you have access to over thousands and thousands of different products to go and promote. I've personally seen financial freedom using ClickBank products, promoting ClickBank products, well over $1,000 to $2,000 a week on some products, and using the strategy that I'm going to teach you in this video. So I actually want to show you something pretty new. I'm not actually going to use ClickBank in this video because I've actually found this done for you product that I've been using. It's not on a ClickBank product. It is actually a whole separate product that you can become an affiliate for and promote. I titled this video ClickBank because most people use ClickBank for affiliate marketing, so you can go and use a ClickBank product for this. Have a look at this page over here. This is a web page I created that reviews the Drone X Pro, which is this product over here, which you can actually become an affiliate for. So I created this landing page. It reviews it. You can see it's very professional. It even has a video on YouTube. It has pros and cons like the max speed, automatic flight assistance, long-lasting battery, what the conclusion is, if it's worth it, and then a visit to the Drone X Pro website, which is actually my affiliate link, which takes them to this page. Every time someone makes an order, I get a commission for selling this product. And you can see you can become an affiliate for this drone. So my gift to you guys in this video is going to be this landing page and this done for you product that you just need to go become an affiliate for. And I'm going to give you this done for you review page, and I'm going to show you the tool that you can use to edit this page to suit any other product on ClickBank. Whether you want to do Lepitox, which is a weight loss product, and turn this review page into an entire weight loss product review, so we can go and promote this page and get a ton of sales from it and make a good income online with it. And also what's great about this tool, you don't need to go and download or purchase Bluehost and then go and install WordPress and then the whole complications of setting up your WordPress website. It is very complicated for that of a newbie. I'm going to show you a tool where you can actually import this entire done for you page without any skills or knowledge. So I actually have an entire bonus back office for you guys where I'm giving away over $5,267 worth of high quality bonuses to help you succeed with affiliate marketing, landing pages, and the specific tool that I'm talking about is called Kartra. So I'm giving away a done for you cash machine funnel, a done for you drop servicing agency funnel, a done for you affiliate advertorial funnel, which is what we're using in this video. You can see their values over here. It's a total of about $5,267 that I'm giving to you for free. Kartra is a paid tool, but you can get a 30-day trial where you can keep all of this for free forever. So if you decide to sign up for the Kartra trial, you're going to get my bonuses, and if you ever cancel, you can still keep them and use them whenever you want to, as you have them forever on your backend office when you sign up to Kartra and unlock my bonuses, which I'll leave a link down below if you want to try that out. It's all here for free. I'm just giving this to you to give you a boost with affiliate marketing and drop servicing. So once that's done, you will see on the bonus back office there's going to be a unique code for the affiliate advertorial funnel. So what you need to do is you need to come over to your Kartra dashboard that looks over this like this. Come over to your campaigns, click on available campaigns. Over here you'll see there's a big import button. Type in the share code that is on the bonus back office when you sign up through the link down below. Make sure to check your emails because I will be sending a login link to your email 6 hours after you sign up through my Kartra affiliate link down below, where you'll get access to my bonuses. You then need to come over here to campaign share code, paste that, and you will see it will look like this. Once you've imported that, if I come to my campaigns, the clickbank affiliate advertorial over here, which you can then go and edit this page. So you'll see if I come over to my pages on Kartra, here is the drone. I've already got this open over here. Here is the advertorial Drone X Pro page that I've got for you guys. So you can click on the three dots, click on edit, and it'll open up this page in the editor, which I'll give you a quick run through on how you can edit this page. So you'll see it's a simple drag and drop editor. You can edit this text, customize the pictures to any ClickBank product you want. Obviously, I've designed this template for the drone specifically. So what you need to do is you can use this page as is, you can publish it, you can just copy your link. You can then come over to the Drone X Pro website or your ClickBank product, get your unique affiliate link. For specifically the drone product, you need to come down and click on affiliate program, sign up for the affiliate program, and you will get your unique affiliate link to this drone product. Otherwise, like I said, you can just use a ClickBank product and edit this page over here to how you like. You can also edit this page for tablet mode, so to customize and optimize the page for a tablet and then for a mobile device, as a lot of people will be accessing this website through their mobile phone. So it's important, and what's nice about Kartra, it automatically optimizes your website for all three devices, that being mobile, tablet, and desktop. So you sort it on the front in terms of having a professional and high converting website, which I'm giving to you. And once you've finished with your site, you can see this is what the final product or website will look like. And then to add your affiliate link to this page, you just scroll down, you click on this button over here, you click on the little edit style. You'll see it will pop up with a section over here. Click on link, and you need to click on link to an external URL, and you need to paste your affiliate link over here, which will look like something like this, which is my affiliate link to the specific drone product, where I get a commission for every sale. So before we go and promote this done for you affiliate advertorial website, I actually want to show you a cool trick that I use to kind of double my sales with this specific website. Is I actually use Google Trends. And since we are promoting a drone product, what you want to do is just type in drone on Google Trends, and we can see where drones and drone products are trending in the world right now. So you want to change from United States and you want to go to worldwide. You'll see over here currently in South Africa, 86 out of 100 interest. Australia, 100. United States, 73, 77, 62. France, 94. So you can see the countries to promote this specific drone product right now. Obviously, if you're using a ClickBank product, if you're using a Lepitox product, just come to Google Trends and type in Lepitox instead of drone and see where this product is trending right now. So you can see it would be a great idea to promote this product in Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. France is good, United States, Canada, maybe Brazil, 62 is good, and Norway is also a good place right now. Also here in Turkey, doing pretty good. So you can see even Nigeria, great countries to go and promote this product because the drone is trending there right now. There's a lot of interest. There's a lot of people searching for drones on Google. So this is a great place and a great tool to utilize to get a chunk of this traffic. And another thing that I want to teach you that is essential with this method when editing your website on Kartra. So you'll see over here on the editing page of Kartra, come over to settings, click on SEO parameters, and you want to make sure that you enter your product's name review. So we can go advertorial drone X Pro. Okay, we can move advertorial drone X Pro review. So let's say you're doing the Lepitox product. You want to go Lepitox weight loss review, and you want to title that as your page because that's obviously the keyword you want people to find your product for. Because you're not going to title your website, for example, weight loss review when I'm busy promoting a drone product. You're not going to reach the right audience. So that's why you want to have your page title, the name of the product, and then review. Page meta description, same thing. Drone X Pro review. Any keywords, we can have Drone X Pro review again. Page author, you can put your name, the title, Drone X Pro review, and the description, Drone X Pro review. And why you want to do this is because Google will see, okay, this website has Drone X Pro review in the title, the description, and the keywords, the title of the page, and the description of the page again. The more Google sees this keyword, the higher they're going to rank your page because obviously it's more relative to this keyword, meaning the more traffic your website is going to get when people are searching for Drone X Pro review or something like drone review. And you want to make sure that hide from search engine is switched off. If you've got this on, this means your website won't be found by Google at all. This is very important. And you could even improve on the description a little bit more. So you can come over to the Drone X Pro website and get some influence from their site. So you can use this first sentence over here, which is a short description of the drone, which you can put on your page. So you can see the more descriptive your descriptions are, the better your website is going to rank. And this is all free traffic using the SEO of your own website. And then what you can do is if you get 1 or 2 sales from And then what you can do is when you get 1 or 2 sales just from optimizing your website with SEO, you can go and invest into Google Ads and completely blow up your traffic and your earnings with your affiliate advertorial website. So what you could also do is you could go, for example, best drone of, let's go 2020. Even be a little bit clickbaity or be a little bit like exaggerating in your title to get people to click on your page. It's not lying, it's an opinion. You think that this is the best drone of 2020. There's nothing wrong with stating that opinion in the title of your page. You can do the same of the title over here. I'm just going to keep a Drone X Pro review, and you want to just make sure that your descriptions, you can see even this description, we can copy this again, paste this over here. You want to be as descriptive as possible. Like for example, if you're using a ClickBank product, you can click on the Lepitox website and get influence from their site. So you can see they've got some descriptions, a little video over here, and you can get influence over here from these little descriptions on their websites. And what I also suggest is come up to Google, type in Drone X Pro review, and see what the other pages on this specific search term is ranking for, what specific keywords they're using. So for example, Drone X Pro review, July update, brand new, July, he's just updated the website. Drone with camera live video, Drone X Pro Amazon, the Drone X Pro, the drone photography talk forum. So you can see other keywords that people are working for. Here you can see Drone X Pro review, is it worth it? That's a good one to also rank for. Honestly, I like the basic Drone X Pro review, the best drone of 2020, with like a question mark, even asking a question to get people's interest, to maybe get people to click on your website and see, is it the best drone of 2020? If so, they then click on your further link. If they're interested, they will then purchase the drone and you will get a commission for that. And then what you can do is to even skyrocket your earnings. You can set up an email campaign where you target old customers and visitors with emails that have subscribed to your newsletter. So you can, for example, come over to ClickBank, choose the affiliate page of the specific product, which will look like this, and you will actually unlock done for you email swipes that you can copy and paste and set up in Kartra over here. So what I suggest is you will come over here to the Kartra training portal, and this is a free training program that will teach you how to set this up. So I'm going to sign in for you quickly and show you exclusive access to the Kartra training program that will teach you how to do this for free. And all you're going to do is you're going to come over here to DFY campaigns. You're going to come to a simple list builder, which will teach you how to build a simple email list and retarget that audience with emails, getting you even more sales with your specific product that you have chosen. So that was my video for today, to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing with ClickBank products and the specific product I've been using, Drone X Pro, all for free. So you're creating this page for free. You're using the free ranking system and SEO tool that Kartra gives you to rank your website on Google. And then I also showed you how you can scale to Google Ads and blow up your earnings from there once you get a bit of commissions using the free traffic from Google, obviously in these targeted countries. But what I'm going to do is to help you guys out even more to get more traffic for the specific website that I've now given you. On the screen, I'm going to leave a link to my affiliate marketing playlist of 2020, where I have about 40 to 50 videos that will help you out with free and paid traffic with affiliate marketing, all for free on YouTube. It's not leading you to some $2,000 course. All of this information is here for free. So make sure to click on this playlist on the screen and I will see you there.